What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I want to talk about me getting rid of my Scatpack. Now, y'all won't believe what I was offered for my wide body Scat. Because I was looking at some red eyes. I found a couple red eye Charger wide bodies, and I was just curious about how much my Scatpack is worth. Bro, these cicadas are just out of control. I mean, them joints super loud. And also, guys, hit the like button, man. Stop what you're doing right now. Go ahead and hit the like button, because I'm telling you right now, YouTube, if you're not hitting the like button, our videos not getting circulated through YouTube, man. You know, they only promoting, you know, it seems like they only really pushing the videos of the creators that got millions of subscribers, man, because I'm seeing everybody's views are pretty much dropping, man. And a lot of it is people not hitting the like button. If y'all don't hit the like button, YouTube, I guess they figure y'all don't like the video. Even if you don't hit the thumbs down. So go ahead and hit the like button for me, man. Because I mean, I get like 1,000 views in the first few hours, but I get like 60 likes. So if 1,000 people hit the like button, man, I have 1,000 likes with 1,000 views. So I appreciate it, man, if y'all hit the like button. Even if you don't like the video, it don't cost you nothing, man. Just go ahead and hit the like button for me. But anyway, so I put my information in for Carvana to see how much they will offer me for my car. And y'all will be surprised what they offer me. And I'm not surprised. The same thing happened with my RT. That's why I sold my RT. Because what they offered me for that car was ridiculous, man. They pretty much paid that job. I actually made some money off of that car. And you know, like right now, you guys know that there's a shortage of cars right now, so they paying top dollar for these cars, especially these Scatpacks, bro. They pretty much, I mean, they giving you 3, 4, 5 grand over, you know, what the cars normally worth. And so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what they offer me. I'm not gonna make this video super long. I'm gonna show you what Carvana offered me. Right now, I'm about to go up here and get me some, I'm going to get me some coffee. Y'all already know I like my coffee, man. So I'm going up here and get me some coffee. And get back in here with my boys, man. They still in school. All right, guys, y'all tell Dunkin' Donuts to sponsor me, man. I'm always drinking Dunkin' Donuts. Drinking their coffee anyway. So yeah, guys, leave your comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. Would y'all trade, would you sell your Scat to get you a red eye? I know it's kind of a no-brainer, especially if you can afford it. And I was gonna lease it. I'm not gonna finance it. Let me know what y'all think, man. Should I sell this joint, give me a red eye? Or just keep the Scat and mod it? Look at this Mustang. That joint like that. That don't mean. You know what I'm saying? Because I've definitely, I found 3 red eyes. I'm gonna show y'all all 3 of them right here. Now they say that they want 84 for it, and I think you get like almost 8,000 off. So it's definitely doable, especially if they're gonna pay this car off, won't have any negative equity. So let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna show you what Carvana offered me for my car right here. So with that being said, man, I'm definitely thinking about selling this joint. Only to get a red eye, but I'm looking for the exact same color I got now, and I haven't found one. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go to the dealership and see if I can order me one and see how long it's gonna take. If it's gonna take too long, man, I'll just wait. So let me know what y'all think.